Jean Piaget's cognitive developmental theory. The main idea. According to Piaget, logical thinking evolves in 4 stages. Each stage grows out of the one that precedes it and involves a major reconstructing of the child's way of thinking. This picture right here is showing all the 4 stages, the age ranges of it, and what happens in each stage. The stages are sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. The green is the vocab. The first vocab is scheme. In Piaget's theory, an internal cognitive structure that provides an individual with a procedure to use in a specific circumstance. The second is assimilation, the process of using a scheme to make sense of an event or experience. The third is accommodation, which is changing a scheme as a result of some new information. And then equilibration, the process of balancing assimilation and accommodation to create scheme that fit the environment. And then the last is object permanence, which is understanding items and people still exist when out of sight or when you can't hear them. Here's a picture of Jean Piaget. This is the first quote. Piaget was struck by the fact that all children seem to go through the same sequence of discoveries about their world, making the same mistakes and arriving at the same solutions. Here's a picture showing the stages and the person going through them. The second quote is, Piaget believed in lifelong learning, but insisted that formal operational stage is the final stage of our cognitive development. And then the orange are the questions. True or false, concrete operational is the last stage of cognitive developmental theory. It's false. The last is formal operational. And then the last question is, what stage involves grammar to express concepts, symbolic thinking, and imagination? And the answer is pre-operational.